What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys? And welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. And for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love, alright? So, you already know. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start by slicing our French loaf bread. Now, you want to get a nice fresh loaf, so you probably want to try to get it the day of, alright? And so we're just going to split that down the middle. Now, I'm going to add in some, put a little bit of olive oil on each side of these loaves, okay? So we're just going to pour that on there like so. And give it a generous coat there. You can put as much as you like. You don't want to make it too oily though, alright? Because the cheese will be sliding all off it. So you want to spread it out, you know, like so. Get into the crevice there a little bit. Now we're going to add in that Chipotle Cheddar cheese that I was talking about, okay? Now, I normally when I make this sandwich, I use a pepper jack cheese, but I didn't have any. I thought I had some, but I didn't have. But we can substitute it, alright? This is going to give it that kick too. Alright, so now we're going to get started by adding in on our lunch meat, okay? Now, I have a pound of medium rare roast beef. Now, roast beef is expensive, so this sandwich ain't cheap to make, all right? I got these on sale for $8.99 a pound, but normally it's $12.99. Sometimes it can go up to $17.99, depending on what type of brand you're using, okay? So we're just gonna layer that on there and give it a nice thick layer of your roast beef, okay? Now, the reason you want a medium rare because you're gonna be putting this in the broiler and it'll cook it down for you. But if you don't like the medium rare, get what you want, all right? So we're gonna layer our salami on top of here like so. All right, see what we done? Oh, that got a hole in it. That's weird. So we're just gonna layer it now. I've made this sandwich before with chili on top of it too. Yeah, chili. All right, so we're gonna add in our cheddar cheese slices. It's a sharp cheddar cheese slice too, by the way. Okay, so there you go. Now it's all ready to put into the oven. Okay, so let's do that. All right. Now you want to just put this in just for a few seconds, so you want to keep an eye out on it, okay? Because I've burnt a few sandwiches walking away from it, all right? Literally. So learn from my experience. A couple seconds. Keep an eye on it, all right? So there you go. That's what you want it to look like. Bam. All right? Beautiful. Oh, man, it's nice and toasty, too. Now, bam. See, you thought I was done with that. I got that bacon for you. Yo, bacon. More bacon, more bacon, more. Ain't nothing wrong with bacon. Alright, that's what makes this sandwich fire. Alright, now I'm just going to add in some red onion. I don't know why they call this red onion, because it's purple, but this is what they call it. So I'm going to add that in there. That's all I need. Now, if you want to put some lettuce and all that on there, that's up to you. It won't be Roach's sandwich. Alright, so we're going to give it a nice little generous, put a little more olive oil on there. And you're going to push it down, you're going to smoosh it, you're going to smoosh it. And there you have it, y'all. Bam! Roach's hot beef, hard salami, chipotle cheddar cheese sandwich. That is a thing of beauty. Now I got to make another one because my husband and my son can eat this by themselves. All right, so y'all, this is how you make a great sub sandwich. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Until then, you guys, what you cooking, Roach? Bye-bye.